Hello everyone, it's Sanu again, your IKEA enthusiast. Welcome back to my channel. This is only my second video on this English channel, but I'm thrilled and excited to communicate with all of you. I noticed that the IKEA US website has posted their 2024 style guide. It talks about 4 styles: warm minimalism, Swedish roots, modern playfulness, and Scandinavian folklore. It's interesting to see each style's color palette. Which style do you prefer? This year, there have been some price reductions, so I'd like to introduce you to the latest popular IKEA storage solutions. Whether you're looking for a new shelf or want to increase your storage, IKEA is incredibly useful. Their products are sold worldwide, which keeps costs down. They're sturdy, simply designed, and user-friendly. I'll also share some great ways to use IKEA's popular trolleys and how I made a monitor stand using an IKEA shelf. Stay tuned till the end. First up, I'd like to talk about the BESTÅ series, extremely popular for living room storage. At IKEA UK, there's been a price revision, making it more affordable. There's a wide variety of options to match your home's interior, including doors and glass panels. The shelves, including glass ones, are versatile, and BESTÅ is also popular as a TV stand. This black one here is also a BESTÅ, and there's even a shallow version that's just 7.9 inches deep, perfect for under-counter storage. And it's not expensive at all. To be honest, while editing this video, I was surprised to find the BESTÅ is a bit more expensive in the US compared to Japan. I wonder how it compares to other brands in the US. If you live in the US, please let me know. In Japan, it seems significantly cheaper than other brands. I have a BESTÅ in my living room, and its height matches our dining table, which looks neat. You can completely hide the contents with doors, and the top can be used as a display shelf. BESTÅ has deep shelves, so it's great for storage. I use it to store things like file boxes. These are from Muji, letters from my kids that I can't throw away, and items I use often but don't want on display, like insect spray. It's also great for storing everyday items like candles, drinks, and even living room essentials like nail clippers, batteries, stationery, and documents. I keep all our household documents here in Muji file boxes. Next, I'll introduce EKET. Many people hesitate between BESTÅ and EKET. A big visual difference is that EKET's doors are inset, creating a distinct line when viewed from the front. It's more compact in depth, which is great for fitting into smaller spaces. This cube-like EKET has also seen price reductions in IKEA US, UK, and Japan. Moving on to the Billy bookcase, which I recently added doors to, making it look much neater. Billy is a very popular bookshelf with a shallow depth and a structure that avoids skirting boards, allowing it to fit snugly against the wall. It's consistently ranked first in magazine comparisons for bookshelves. One reason for its high rating is that the side panels of larger Billy bookcases are made from a single board, making them sturdy and visually appealing. Last year, it was redesigned to be reassemblable, making it more moving-friendly. IKEA US has recently revised the pricing for the Billy bookcase, making it more affordable. This price reduction has made Billy an even more attractive option for those looking for quality storage solutions on a budget. Billy can also add a glass door like this. Billy doors come with all necessary hardware. Installing doors on Billy is easy, I think. Just screwing them in. It also comes with rubber bumpers for the back of the doors. Initially, I was confused about having to drill the holes for the handles myself. Yeah, but I understand it's designed this way to be functional even without handles. Billy came with a handle, but I attached the gold one I bought on AliExpress. Recently, there's been a price reduction for the KALLAX series at IKEA UK, and it's also popular in Japan. KALLAX is known for its deep shelves, perfect for storing backpacks and other large items. There's a wide variety of affordable inserts and boxes available for KALLAX. Compared to other brands, their insert boxes are quite affordable. However, it's a very heavy product, so be careful when assembling large sites. Never assemble it alone. IKEA also sells various shelves. I use one of their shelves and cabinet legs to make a desk shelf. I chose these white legs, 3.1 inches high, over the 3.9-inch EKET legs. The CAPITA leg I bought also came with screws. The shelf comes in various sizes, so you can find one that suits your needs. This mat, sold as a liner for IKEA trolleys, I use as a mouse pad. The adjustable legs are perfect for uneven surfaces. The quality of the shelf is excellent, made of solid wood, not particle board, offering great value for money. I bought the TRANHULT shelf, white stained aspen. IKEA has a variety of shelves in different sizes, so search for shelf to find the perfect one for you. The CAPITA series that I bought was not available in white at IKEA US or IKEA UK, and only the stainless steel version seemed to be available. Next, I'd like to introduce a new product. A pot cover that I'm using for storage. I got this idea from my favorite YouTuber, Soy-san. It's adorable as a pot cover, but also works great as a pen holder. It's available in 3 sizes, with this white one being the smallest. Soy-san uses a larger one for makeup storage. It's also cute for glasses or stationery. Now, let's talk about RÅSHULT trolley, which has also seen a price reduction in IKEA UK and Japan. This trolley is great for storage and can be easily moved around. When not in use, it can be tucked under a dining table or counter. For example, during this season, I use it for storing winter gear and children's stationery. This shelf is an option for the Scottish pegboard series. The bottom shelf is perfect for tissues. My favorite use for the trolley is as a side table, allowing me to bring a tea set to my desk, even when there's no space on it. Just be mindful of the height of the boxes you put inside. The 2.8-inch high Life Tray series from Daiso or Syria fits perfectly and is great for organization. But careful with taller boxes like this one, as the lid won't close. Do you have an IKEA trolley? How do you use it? Let me know in the comments. I have a Japanese channel dedicated to all things IKEA. However, recognizing that IKEA enthusiasts are spread across the globe, I've decided to create this English channel. My goal is to assist IKEA lovers worldwide with their shopping adventures and to exchange valuable information with fellow IKEA fans. If you know someone who's just as passionate about IKEA as we are, please share this channel with them. Your support would mean the world to me. Let's make our IKEA experience even more enjoyable together. I'm also looking forward to your feedback. I'm still learning English, so I'd love to communicate with you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and save it for later. Thank you for watching till the end. See you in the next video.